They look like, oh my gosh, they look like real biscuits. I don't know what they taste like, but look at them. A little bit more flour. Like putting oil on your hands. Helps it to not stick as much. It's still like sticky, but I think it's okay. Because I don't have a biscuit cutter, I'm gonna use a cup. Let's see, I don't know now. I don't know. Okay, it looks like a biscuit. I just don't know what they're gonna taste like or how they're gonna bake. That's the part. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. But you know what? I need someplace to put the other biscuits because if it comes out, I'm gonna put the other ones in the freezer, so. Combine all of this, which at this point it can just be, let's see, should we make it a biscuit? I feel like we can make 2 biscuits out of that. Yep. This will just have to pat it out to be 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that made 9 biscuits. So we have 4 biscuits in here. Y'all, they look like biscuits. I just don't know what they're gonna taste like. And then we have the remaining dough that I had. I'm just putting them over there because I'm probably going to let them sit out and rest, and then I'm gonna freeze them, because if these come out well, then if I ever want a biscuit, I'll have these, but I don't know, we'll see. I really hope they come out good. So now I'm just waiting for the oven to preheat. They look like, oh my gosh, they look like real biscuits. I don't know what they taste like, but look at them. Oh, I think I redeemed myself from my biscuit fail all those years ago. Like, look at this. I already took the top off and tried it out, but it is so good. It's flaky and hot. It doesn't taste like anything, but it's a biscuit. Like, oh my God. Ooh, it's so hot. Look at that. I don't have any more butter left over to put on top of it, because I use all the butter in my biscuit recipe, so it's fine. Take our little biscuit that like perfectly opens. I don't know. And we're gonna take, this is so not professional. We're gonna take our sausage, because I don't think I can see it. You can't see it. That's why I gotta get out of the house. I'm gonna go work out later today, because this is insane. So we got our biscuit, our sausage, and the eggs with cheese. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I'm an official Southern woman.